When you're learning to ride a bike, the first thing you learn is how to brake. Brakes are arguably the most important part of your car. If they fail, it can easily turn fatal. This is why the ABS, or anti-lock braking system, is so important. And the ABS module monitors that system. What is the ABS module? The ABS module, also known as the anti-lock braking system module, is a critical component in a vehicle's ABS system. The ABS system is designed to prevent the wheels from locking up during braking, which helps maintain steering control and stability, especially in slippery conditions like wet or icy roads. The ABS module is responsible for controlling and coordinating the ABS system's various components. Here's a brief overview of the ABS module's functions and components. Number 1. Control unit. The ABS module contains a control unit that processes data from various sensors and makes decisions about how to modulate brake pressure to prevent wheel lockup. It uses this information to adjust the brake force on individual wheels as needed. Number 2. Sensors. The ABS system relies on sensors to detect wheel speed and other factors. Commonly used sensors include wheel speed sensors, which monitor the rotational speed of each wheel, and sometimes other sensors like the brake pedal position sensor. Number 3. Hydraulic valves. The ABS module controls hydraulic valves in the brake lines of each wheel. These valves can reduce or increase brake pressure on individual wheels to prevent them from locking up. Number 4. Pump motor. The ABS module also contains a pump motor, which pressurizes the brake fluid in the system as needed. This helps with rapid brake pressure adjustments during ABS activation. Number 5. ECM/ECU integration. In many modern vehicles, the ABS module communicates with the engine control module, ECM, or engine control unit, ECU, to optimize ABS system performance based on various factors like engine speed and throttle position. Symptoms of a bad ABS module. So how do you know if this important monitoring system is failing? Here are a few symptoms of a bad ABS module. Number 1. Illuminated ABS warning light. One of the most noticeable signs of a bad ABS module is the illumination of the ABS warning light on the dashboard. When the ABS module detects a problem or malfunction within the ABS system, it triggers the warning light to alert the driver. This light stays on as long as the issue persists. Number 2. Loss of ABS functionality. A failing ABS module may result in a loss of ABS functionality. When you apply the brakes in slippery or emergency conditions, the ABS system may not engage properly, leading to wheel lockup and reduced steering control. This can result in longer stopping distances and can threaten safety in bad road conditions. Number 3. Brake pedal pulsation or unusual sensation. In some cases, a bad ABS module may cause the brake pedal to pulsate or provide an unusual sensation when braking. This occurs because the ABS system is not functioning correctly, and the module may not modulate brake pressure as it should, leading to inconsistent braking. Number 4. Unexplained brake fluid leaks. A malfunctioning ABS module can sometimes cause brake fluid leaks. If you notice a decrease in brake fluid levels without an obvious external source of leakage, it could be a sign that the ABS module's internal seals have failed, allowing brake fluid to escape. Number 5. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. When a bad ABS module triggers the ABS warning light, it typically stores diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, related to the specific issue. These codes can be read with a diagnostic scanner. It's important to note that the symptoms of a bad ABS module can overlap with other brake system issues, such as problems with wheel speed sensors, brake fluid levels, or the ABS pump. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Causes of a bad ABS module. Why do ABS modules fail? Usually, it's for one of 3 reasons. Number 1. Electronic component failure. The ABS module contains electronic components, such as microprocessors, sensors, and solenoid valves, that are essential for its operation. Over time, these electronic components can wear out or become damaged due to factors like heat, moisture, or electrical surges. When these components fail, they can disrupt the communication and functionality of the ABS module. Number 2. Fluid contamination. The ABS system relies on clean and uncontaminated brake fluid to operate correctly. If the brake fluid becomes contaminated with moisture, air, or debris, it can lead to corrosion and damage within the ABS module. Number 3. External damage or physical impact. The ABS module is typically located in the engine compartment or under the vehicle, making it susceptible to physical damage from road debris, collisions, or other external factors. A direct impact or damage to the ABS module can result in internal damage to its components, leading to a malfunction. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.